What's up guys, ArtDude47 here, back for another devlog video. So today I have turned off day-night cycle just to kind of make it easier to see, but I wanted to go ahead and update. I did add an inventory menu, so now if I hit the I key, I can go to my inventory. Also, just a little thing added in, if I hit escape, it takes me back to the main menu currently. Still no function for the new and load game, or options really, other than these will take you to a screen just to show that they've got the code written. There just needs to be stuff in the screen. So go back to play anyway. If I pick up these flowers, you can see that it will just pull the image for the flower. It'll call them yellow flowers because that was the item's name when it was created, and it now lists them in the inventory and it shows that they are selected. So if I go pick up these ones, you'll see that it still pulls the same item, but this one was actually named differently, so it's a flower. I can bounce between those being selected, and if I press space on one, it'll actually drop it out of my inventory back onto the ground here. And so just so you could see, I'll go through and pick up all the items I've scattered about here real quick. Alright, and so then the last thing, I did make it able to scroll. So as you go down past off screen, it will scroll. If you scroll back up here, then you can go back the same way, just to show again that it can take different names for different items, things like that. Everyone using this sword image has a different name, so even though they're all using the sword image, so it's easily interchangeable as I add more graphics, as I add more stats, things like that. And of course this is a farming game, so really there won't be a sword used in it, but I do eventually want to work on an RPG using this game's engine. So if you take a look here, even in the middle of the pack, I can drop the items, leave the inventory, it drops them in a stack. Since they were all swords, it's kind of hard to see there, but if I drop like the flowers here, it drops it on top of them, and so then you can actually pick up the stack of items back into your inventory, and everything still works just fine. You can still scroll through them. You could drop everything out. It empties the whole inventory. It takes away the selector since there's nothing to select, and it's all dropped onto the ground here. I'm not sure if I want items to be able to stack on the ground. Maybe that'll be something I'll take away, where it'll drop it in a radius around you if there's already something on the ground, but currently that's how I've got it here. So that is the inventory pretty much working. You'll see there are a few visual bugs, like sometimes scrolling down, the selector jumps down and then corrects itself, and so I do have to get that sorted out. Same going up, but currently it does at least function properly. That doesn't actually cause any issues. So thank you guys again for watching, and look out next week for the next video. See you later.